Goa campus, the Professor Sonkade from the Shivaji University, Professor Sunil Bhan, Professor Milan Kaushik, and all the dignitaries among the audience. At the onset, I extend my warm wishes for the Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav to one and all. I'm wishing you happy Navratri also. We all know that Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji is putting his great efforts to set the benchmark for the emerging India in its 75th year of the independence. The innovations and research and development are the prime focus area that will be drive the country in its path becoming the global superpower. It has been brought to my notice that the Quark, the annual technical festival of BITS Goa, has established the immense outreach towards the school student as well as the students from the professional colleges in Goa. In such initiatives that imperative the developing the scientific temper and innovative enterprises among the youth, the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has emphasized that research and innovations must transform from the way of working to the way of living among our youth. To increase the culture of innovation in India, and we have to pay the constant attention to two things: the social support and the institutional support. The acceptance of the innovations as a profession has increased in the society, and such situations have acceptance the new ideas and original thinking. I must congratulate the Department of the Science and Technology, the Government of India, the BITS Pilani Goa campus, and Shivaji University Kolhapur for the good initiative to start the program Stuti, Synergistic training program, utilize the scientific and technological infrastructures. To sensitize and build the human resource and to make them aware of the publicity and funded by the S&T infrastructure from across the country. I'm happy to note that this has been planned on the hub and spoke model, thereby allowing the project management unit hub extend the program to the other institutions in the catchment areas, thereby ensuring that the large population of the scientists, professionals, doctors, postdoctoral students are benefited. The faculty and students from the various college and will be highly benefited by this program, as they will not only be aware of the instruments available in the institutions of the higher learning and which they can use for some of their own research. Having spent the few days in these institutions, this faculty and the students will be able to establish the connect for availing these facilities and also initiatives to take the guidance for taking forward their own research and ideas. It is great to learn that the BITS Pilani Goa campus, when approached by Shivaji University Kolhapur, which is a hub to up the programs and with the active involvements of engineering and science department, thereby ensuring that scientific community, the faculty such as PhD scholars from the Goa and other places are also benefited. I have been told that about 50% of the participants are from the Goa, and that organizers made a point to accommodate all the participants from the Goa who applied for the programs, even crossing the initial number of the planned seats, and also accommodate those who have approached them after closing the dates also. It is also to encouraging the news that and almost the science college from the Goa has sent their participants. During these workshops, the BITS Pilani Goa campus has also taken the initiatives to give the walking tour to their central facilities set up through their own fundings and which houses the sophisticated instruments such as electron, microscope, the confocal microscopes, NMR, etc., and which is available to use on the minimal payment basis to academic and also for the industry users. The participants should make themselves aware of these opportunities and also make their colleagues and the users in Goa aware of such of the facilities being available within the state. This Saturday, I have opportunity to interact with nearly the 45,000 of the parents and teachers of the primary education sector in the state. Today, I am glad that I am interacting with the faculty and the students of the prestigious technological institute in our state. I have emphasized the need of the participant, the people, NGO, technocrats, etc., in terms of the hand-holding the primary educational institutions and upgrading the educational environment. I have appealed the people and institutions to come forward and to adapt these institutions, thereby infuse the new and fresh approach and outlook to our make our children's the learning more effective and enjoyable. On the same line, I urge the BITS Pilani Goa to come forth and collaborate with the government of Goa for optimizing the output of the education sector to enhancing the use of the technology in welling the good governance initiatives. So there is a huge scope of the mutual collaborations. I'm sure that you will definitely respond the positive in these regards. Once again, I extend my best wishes to these STUTI programs and my best of luck for all the candidates, those who have joined from the state and out of the state for these programs. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words.